These are the Daily Tech headlines for Friday, July 26, 2024. I'm Rob Dunwood. OpenAI Thursday announced SearchGPT, its much-anticipated AI-powered search engine with real-time access to information across the web. The prototype is powered by the GPT-4 family of models and will only be accessible to 10,000 test users at launch. OpenAI spokesperson Kayla Wood told The Verge that OpenAI is working with third-party partners and using direct content feeds to build its search results. The goal is to eventually integrate search features directly into ChatGPT. In a blog post, OpenAI emphasizes that SearchGPT was developed in collaboration with various news organizations that can opt out of having their content used to train OpenAI's models and still be surfaced in search. SearchGPT currently has no ads and will be free during its initial launch. WhatsApp, the world's largest messaging platform, now has 100 million monthly active users in the United States. WhatsApp is extremely popular internationally, but lags in the U.S. because of free unlimited SMS/MMS plans offered by U.S. carriers and the prevalence of iMessage use among iPhone users. WhatsApp's parent company Meta is doing its part to advertise the cross-platform nature of WhatsApp and recently reunited the cast of Modern Family for an ad promoting its very nature. It will be interesting to see, however, if WhatsApp can continue its US-based growth trend when RCS, the successor to SMS/MMS already adopted on Android devices, is added to iPhones with iOS 18 this fall. The U.S. Federal Aviation Administration has cleared SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket to return to space after it was grounded by a rare mid-flight failure earlier this month, where its second stage failed to relight for its second burn. The FAA said that it didn't find any public safety issues in the anomaly that occurred during the failed July 11th launch, and that the rocket can return to flight operations while the overall investigation continues. SpaceX said in a post on X that it was ready to return the rocket to flight as soon as Saturday, July 27th. The Kids Online Safety Act, or KOSA, a bill first introduced in 2023 to safeguard children from the harm that could result from platforms' relentless quest for user attention, is poised for a pre-August recess vote, which appears likely to pass in the Senate with 70 co-sponsors. KOSA creates a duty for care for platforms, requiring them to take responsible steps to mitigate a specific list of harms to minors like cyberbullying, sexual exploitation, and eating disorders. It also requires the highest level of privacy settings to be on for kids by default. To get to the president's desk, KOSA will still have to pass the House of Representatives, which are set to adjourn early for the August recess. Windows insiders are now set to test a new feature that allows Android devices to show up wirelessly in Windows 11 File Explorer. The integration will allow Android devices to appear just like a regular USB device, with the ability to copy and move files between a PC and Android phone, as well as rename or delete them. It probably won't be long before everyone running Windows 11 will be able to access this new feature, but to get it now, you'll need a device running Android version 11 or higher, be part of the Windows Insider program, and have the beta version of the Link to Windows app installed. Google Drive video uploads now have auto-generated captions. The company is leveraging speech recognition technology to transcribe the audio and works for both personal and Google Workspace accounts. Personal accounts must request automatic captions after uploading a video to Drive. Google Workspace customers will have captions enabled automatically upon video upload unless the feature is disabled by admins, but will have to request transcriptions for any video uploaded before the update. English is the only language currently supported, but other languages are planned in the future. Video game performers went on strike at 12:01 Eastern Standard Time Friday over artificial intelligence concerns, throwing a part of the entertainment industry into another work stoppage after talks for a new contract with major game studios broke down. SAG-AFTRA negotiators say that gains have been made over wages and job safety into the video game contract, but the two sides remain split over regulation of generative AI. A spokesperson for the video game producers, Audrey Cooling, said the studios offered AI protections, but SAG-AFTRA's negotiating committee said that the studio's definition of who constitutes a performer is key to understanding the issue of who would be protected. And finally, Epic's Games said its popular title Fortnite will make its way back onto iPhones and iPads in the EU soon by way of AltStore, a third-party store that enables sideloading. Epic will also announce support for at least 2 other third-party stores, and the Epic's Game Store will also be coming to Android worldwide and iOS and iPadOS in the European Union, though no timeline was specified. For more discussion of the tech news of the day, subscribe to dailytechnewsshow.com. You can find show notes and links to all the headlines there as well. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you next time.